Hello everyone, JC with Cleanstone Floor Care, and just wanted to show you what we've got going on today. We have a marble finishing job. This is like the second step of honing to remove all the scratches and etch marks, and we are going up on the polish here. The luster reflectivity is coming back pretty nicely. So it's all a step-by-step process here, but we'll show you some pictures afterwards and see the lighting, the reflectivity. But anyway, we'll show you pictures afterwards and show you how this floor turns out once it's all finished and polished. Polishing, and more polishing. So we get the highest sheen. Rinsing. We'll show you the results, guys. There you are, guys. Finished result. Nice reflectivity, nice depth. Couple of chips. Chips that were there previously, obviously. But it looks real good. If you're in need of stone service, call us at 951-640-7480. Cleanstone Floor Care. Thanks for watching.